Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Maulani Hasana. I'm from ABI 11 class, and today I will answer TOEFL speaking to.
In this question, you will be asked to talk about a familiar topic. After you hear the question, you will have 15 seconds to prepare a response and 45 seconds to record the response. Some people who unexpectedly receive a large amount of money spend it on practical things, while others spend it for pleasure only. Which do you think is better and why? Begin to prepare your response after the beep.
I believe it is better for people who unexpectedly receive a large amount of money to spend in on practical things rather than just for pleasure. For example, they can ask the money to invest in education or start a small business. These choices will provide long-term benefit and financial stability which are more valuable than temporary enjoyment. Of course, it is fine to spend a small portion for pleasure, but prioritizing practical needs ensures a better future.
A student has written a letter to the editor of City University's newspaper concerning the campus health center. You have 50 seconds to read the letter. Begin reading now. Now listen to two students discussing the letter.
Did you read that letter in the paper?
Sure. And though she's right about the problems, I don't think what she proposes will do much good.
Really?
Yeah. Take her first suggestion. I mean, have you seen the health center?
Of course. Why?
Well, it's tiny, right? The center suffers from lack of space. So, unless they build more treatment rooms or offices or something.
Oh, I see.
And also, her second suggestion?
Seems like that'll help things out.
Well, not necessarily. I mean, think about it. A lot of students aren't even here on the weekends.
That's true.
They leave town and get away. There's not a lot of people here.
Yeah, like me. I go home probably at least twice a month.
Right. And a lot of us leave campus for the weekend even more often than that. So there's just not a lot of demand for treatment then. See what I mean?
The man expresses his opinion about the student's suggestions that are made in the letter. State the man's opinion and explain the reasons he gives for holding that opinion. Begin to prepare your response after the beep.
The man disagrees with the student's suggestion in the letter. First, regarding hiring more doctors, he said the main problem is not the number of doctors, but the lack of space in the health center. He explained that the building is very small, so unless they build more treatment rooms or offices, adding doctors will not help. Second, about opening on weekend, he believes it is unnecessary because many students are not on campus during that time. Most students leave town, so there would be little demand for medical treatment on weekends. Therefore, he thinks the suggestion will not solve the main problem.